What's going on, guys? This is Weather Superman. Long time no see. Today we're gonna do something really exciting. We're gonna do an unboxing of the newest Apple iPad. So this, as you can see, is the 6th generation Wi-Fi 128 gigabyte. Okay, now let's get rid of the packaging. Now it's a moment of truth. What this? I know it's really difficult when you're actually holding this iPhone with you. I just give up. This is so hard. Let's just bear with me for a sec. Sorry guys. I'm trying to lift the box. Open it. It's really tight. Yeah, it has never been this tight. Okay, guys, this is awesome. So I got the space gray version, my favorite color. Very modest and strong. Now, so this is the iPad, and that is a cable. I believe it's still a lightning cable, so it's all the same instructions. And you got your adapter. 3-pin Australian adapter. It's actually 2-pin, whatever. And that's it. And now let's unbox the Apple Pencil. Let's see what's actually inside. Okay, guys, it's all open. I'm just gonna. How do you open this? Sorry guys, I need to oh, here we go. Actually, wow, it's my first time to use Apple Pencil. I'm so excited because I saw someone else using it and I realized it was so cool. I mean, yeah. And that's about it. You got I don't know what this is. Guys, do you know what the hell this is? I think it's something to do with the charging, right? And this one, I don't know. And this is the cover, is it? This is the cover. Alright, and I think that's about it, right? We got everything has been unboxed, and thanks for watching, guys. It was quite extraordinary experience. I shall see you guys next time. Only on Weather Superman.